Today, I'll walk you through how to load a PDF to your Power BI dashboard, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to import your PDF data into Power BI so you can create insightful visual reports. Let's get started. First, open your Power BI dashboard. This is your canvas where all the magic happens, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you need to. Next, in the Home tab, click on Get Data. This is where you'll find various sources to import your data from. Think of it as the gateway to all your data connections. Now select File from the left pane, choose PDF, and then click Connect. This step is crucial as it tells Power BI that you want to work with a PDF file, a common format for reports and documents. After that, browse your computer to select the PDF file you want to use, then click Open. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the process remains the same. Once your PDF is loaded, you'll need to select your tables or pages. This is where you decide which parts of the PDF you want to work with. Think of it as choosing the ingredients for your recipe. If your table headers are sitting in the first row of data, go to the Home tab and click Use First Row as Headers. This will ensure that your data is structured correctly, making it easier to analyze. Next, you might want to filter out any nulls or blank rows. Click the drop-down arrows on your column headers to filter out empty rows or irrelevant text. This step helps clean up your data, making it more manageable. If your table spans multiple pages, you can keep the source step in your query steps. Filter for tables under the kind column and expand the data to merge them. This is similar to stitching together pieces of a puzzle to form a complete picture. Once your data looks clean and structured, click Close and Apply in the top left corner of the Power Query window. This action will load the data into your model, preparing it for visualization. Finally, you will now see your PDF fields listed in the data pane on the right, ready to be dragged and dropped into your visual reports. This is where you can start creating stunning visuals that tell a story with your data. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.